Hello everyone. We would like to introduce FIMM integration training course, and we would like to go through exactly what is being offered on this course and what is the value proposition. So basically, this is the curriculum that we cover in entire FIMM integration course. So introduction, master data, inventory valuation like standard and moving average price, and also split valuation, and account determinations, inventory management, entire end-to-end procurement cycle, and different types of purchase orders, inter and intra-company procurement process, and logistics invoice verification, including input taxes, and towards the end, vendor account management. And every topic is part of this uniquely developed course. And this FIMM integration course works as a proof of concept for MM blueprinting, FI blueprinting, and accounts payable blueprinting. So for the users who are participating in the blueprinting sessions, so this course will work as a proof of concept, and they can think from their business process perspective and get the true value of SAP. And this course, tracing all variations of MM transactions into FICO impacts, definitely goes beyond account determinations, which we traditionally think that MM integration. And also this is basically a power user, power tool in getting maximum benefit from SAP implementation. Going back to the course content, like we will deal with the enterprise hierarchy, and this is a basic foundation on which entire MM integration is built on. For example, the relations between plant and company code, and how entire logistics operations hinges upon the plant and valuation concepts, and particularly when it comes to the intercompany, intra-company kind of valuations, and also the integration with cost centers, profit centers, business areas for MM will be dealt on with the enterprise hierarchy discussion. And then master data, obviously in FIMM integration, there is a lot of master data involved, like material master, vendor master, info records, purchase orders, and their implications on valuations like GR, IR, AP transactions, and inventory management transactions. So obviously general ledger. So all these topics which will be covered at length to make the learning associate very confident about how far this integration will go. And we deal with like variances, which is like PP variances and MM variances, which is like a standard price calculations and moving average prices, and their impact in accounting. That's what we will work on, this MM and PP variances basically. And then we go into account determination, like we go transaction by transaction to trace them, how the implications of account determination works here, and what are the things which are in totality have overall integration with general ledger accounts and also the inventory valuation. We will be working on inventory management, which is like, as if we are implementing inventory management itself. And pretty much we trace all kinds of transactions into inventory and see what happens from the accounting perspective, such as like issuing to the cost centers, production orders, PGI, which is post goods issued to your customer, like that. We will be working on them. And also the topic which normally not covered any kind of trainings is that inventory physical count. So there is a good process in SAP which we will go through like periodic inventory, cycle count, continuous inventory discussions, and inventory sampling. And those who are from accounting background and those who are from super user world, they clearly know what exactly we are talking about this topic. And end-to-end entire procurement cycle we will go through, wherein integration with vendor and materials. Also, we'll trace through every transaction with implication for debit and credit, GL accounts, and their determination as well in the process. Then we will be also covering different types of procurement like vendor consignment, pipeline handling, subcontracting, and account assigned purchase orders and expense POs, uh, and service management, which is external service management as well, the part of this course. And intercompany and intracompany, which is quite interesting for finance folks, and we will trace through all the accounting entries in this process. And then we go beyond traditional FIMM. We will be covering logistic invoice verification and input tax calculations, pricing procedure, which is also called the schema, and understanding open text integration. This is one concept which every company should know, like how you can integrate with automation of your procurement process and particularly accounts payable process. And evaluator receipt settlement, it's one form of receipt invoice verification, which is automatic invoice verification, and obviously consignment and pipeline handling. And we also cover a particular topic which is inventory management challenges at the time of go live. So our approach is like this, and every topic will have a business case, and we will work on the business process steps. Then particularly demos that we'll be working on, like a configuration and business process steps. And obviously, this is what we stand out, and we will be concentrating more on configuration and business process. And the demo is the critical portion where you will see the proof of concept. And the training would be more process oriented, design oriented, as well as integration oriented. And business users perspective, we don't come from SAP world, we come from the business user perspective world. And what is needed for them and how we can achieve in SAP will be experienced in this course. And also we will see like what are the process options exploration, like different options which are available. And also this course is all about finance and controlling. This course is not course, this is just a finance course. Okay. And towards the end, like SAP obviously has got a robust SAP solution here, which is there is no competition offering the way that SAP offers the integration. And also what is needed to get the true value is knowledge for the super user. Super user is the champion who is representing all the users and taking the business requirements to the configurators. And if he has got no knowledge of SAP, then he comes with the business knowledge. But unfortunately, only business knowledge will not yield good results. So that is the place where we are coming here. Get the knowledge, and we will show every single process that is integrated, and you will get the true value from this course. Okay. Thank you very much. And again, this is FIMM integration beyond a traditional way of teaching, and this is proof of concept based training. Please contact us for your FIMM integration training needs.